Watch before launching your NFTs. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to show you some of the things that you should keep in mind before launching your NFT collection. And if you are going to launch your own NFT collection real soon, then this video is for you. These are the things that you should definitely keep in mind while launching your new NFT collection. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is the first thing that you have to keep in mind while you are going to be launching your own NFT collections. We know NFTs are heating up right now. This is the start of a new year and NFT market is, trending, and everybody is looking to create their own NFT collections. And you might be wondering that what are some factors or what are different, things that you should, check before you create your NFT collection, and that will actually help you to promote your NFT collection and help you to launch a successful collection. So the first thing is going to be the project size. Now, you might have seen different collections. You might have seen different collections with more than 10,000 items, and on the other hand, there are different collections with 100 items or maybe 1,000 items. So you must be wondering that which project size you should go for. Well, it depends on the project that you are going to create. Let's just say there are many projects out there. For example, CryptoPunks, right? They have 10,000 items in their collection, and this is kind of like a collection where you create items through coding. Okay, so I have opened up CryptoPunks, right? So on CryptoPunks, you will actually see that they have 10,000 items, right? And this is one of the collections that it is actually one of the very famous collection out there, and it is one of the very first collection that had 10,000 items, and that was created on this criteria. So what happens is now you can go for such collection. You can go for 10,000 items, you can go for 1,000. Of course, it depends on you, and of course, the pricing will be accordingly. If, for example, your floor price is 1 ETH, you have 1,000 NFTs, you are going to earn 1,000 ETH. If you have 10,000, then you will be able to earn 10,000 if they're all sold out. So it is simple, right? The more items you will have, the more money you will make. But it also depends. With a large collection comes more responsibilities, and there is going to be, if your collection is not a huge success, then it becomes a little difficult for you because you are going to mint all these, of course, these items, right? And then if you're going to sell, then there comes the gas fee and everything. They will be minted on the blockchain. So these are the different factors that you actually have to keep in mind. But as of the when we talk about the size, if you are an individual and you are a beginner, then you can go for a maybe smaller size, for example 1,000 or 2,000. But if you are a company, you are a great designer, and you are launching this collection, you have created the hype that we are actually just going to talk about. The next step is going to be the promotion. So then I will tell you that why it's important to promote your collection and in order to sell it out. So yeah, the project size, you should definitely consider project size, what project size you are going to do, and you should check different factors according to you. The next thing that you should keep in mind while launching your NFT collection is going to be the gas fee of the platform that you are going to choose, and the gas fee for the blockchain that you are going to be minting your NFTs on. So you have to keep in mind that there are different blockchains available on different platforms. So let's just talk about the gas fee first of different blockchains. So if we check out the gas fee for Ethereum, which is like a very famous, a blockchain, and most of the platforms actually work on ETH, and most of the people actually mint their NFTs on ETH. So the gas fee for ETH is very high sometimes, and it varies every second. We know that. So make sure that you check out the gas fee, and you can go to any of the platform to check for the gas fee. There are many other many platforms, many gas fee trackers that you can just go and check out. So you can see right here, this is the value for the gas fee right now, and you can actually scroll down, and you will be able to see the gas fee on different platforms as well. For example, OpenSea. I was just showing you the collection on OpenSea.io. OpenSea.io is one of the very famous NFT platforms, NFT marketplaces, where people actually mint their NFT. So you will be able to find that they also vary, right? The gas fee for each platform varies. The gas fee for different blockchain will vary. Now, you might have just heard about ETH, and you might be wondering that NFTs are only minted on ETH. That is not the case. ETH is famous for minting. ETH is famous blockchain, but there are other blockchain as well. For example, you can actually go for Polygon as well, and on OpenSea, as I personally mint my NFTs on OpenSea. So on OpenSea, you also get the option of Polygon, which is on ETH, and it allows you a gas-free experience. So that's the thing. Then there are Solana NFTs that you can actually go for. What happens on Solana is also a blockchain, right? So Solana's gas fee is actually lower than ETH. That's what I have noticed. And if you want to mint your NFTs, you can actually go ahead and check out Solana as well. To kind of like, if you're looking for low gas fee, then you can check out Solana. And there are many other Solana marketplaces as well. For example, the famous ones, that's actually a thing. Solana is cheaper, the gas fee will be cheaper, but then again, the famous marketplaces, the open market and NFT marketplaces, let's just talk about OpenSea or Rarible, they offer Ethereum, right? So what happens is Solana has its own marketplaces. You can check out different marketplaces. For example, Solsea.io is one of the very famous Solana NFT marketplace, where you will be able to find NFTs that are minted on Solana blockchain. So that is how, before launching, make sure to check out all the blockchains, and keep in mind that there is going to be a gas fee. Keep in mind that how much you want to pay, how much you are going to invest. Then you can launch your NFT collection better, and then you will have a better idea that how to actually launch a collection, and where you are going to mint your NFTs, the different platforms. If we're talking about the platforms, let me tell you about different platforms as well. If you're wondering that what are different platforms you can check out, well, there is OpenSea.io, very famous one. Then there is Foundation.app. You can go ahead and check out Foundation as well. Then each NFT, for example, art NFTs have their own marketplaces as well. For example, there is Nifty Gateway. You can check that out. If you're looking for Solana, then there is Solsea. There is Digital Eyes. Then we have Rarible.com. So these are all different, marketplaces that you can check out before, going for just one platform without, searching and doing, research. So you can, check out these platforms, and make sure to check out the gas fee for each platform and different blockchains to get a better idea that which one will be better for you to mint your NFTs. The next thing that you should keep in mind, or before launching your NFT, the important thing to do is promoting your collection. Now, when you will be creating your collection on any platform that you want to go for, make sure you promote your NFTs. You know how to do marketing for your NFTs, and how you can do that. You can actually do that for free as well. Don't think that you have to, go ahead and invest in marketing and invest in promotion, and you have to pay for the ads. Nothing like that. You actually you can promote your NFT. For example, all the famous NFT collections, they promote their collections before launching or launching their NFTs. So you can create a website. Every collection, every good collection has a website. You can create a website. And then we have Discord. Discord is very important. Discord actually allows you to create your own community, and it will allow you to promote your NFTs better. You can go ahead and create your own Discord server, server, and there you will have different. So the Discord will allow you to promote your NFTs. You can, do giveaways, and you will have your own community, and that will be interested in your NFTs. So make sure you can also go to twitter.com, and you can create your own Twitter for your NFT collection. And then of course we have the website as well. So these are the different ways you can promote your NFTs. And what happens is, if your promotion does well, if people, your collection catches eye, and you have, people are interested, and they're like, okay, this is something cool that is going to come. So what is going to happen is, when you will launch your NFTs, there are chances that you will be sold out within seconds, and that happens. So make sure that you do the promotion. You can go ahead and create your Discord, create the hype. If your NFT will have hype, then you will be able to sell more, and you will be able to, promote your collection, and your collection will do pretty good, and it will be a successful collection that you will be launching. So yeah guys, that brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know what to do before launching your NFT collection. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.